Hey guys, Taylor here, your Backstage Beautician, and today we're going to be doing a hairstyle from Footloose. True to the original 1980s film, we're going to be featuring lots of big hair, lots of big curls. Because I would like to think if you're going to be doing the musical, you probably want to go as ham as possible. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be using a hot roller set from Conair. You can also do this with a curling iron and then set the curls the same way I showed you in my Guys and Dolls video hairstyle. I'm going to put either my finger or my separating comb just here, right above my eyebrows, and then run it straight back to get the hair sections I want. I'm going to take a fairly small sized 1-inch roller here. You want to use smaller sized rollers because we're going to be brushing this out later. Alright, so you're going to take your section of hair, take your hot roller, and wrap the ends around the roller. Once you have the ends wrapped around, you're just going to roll it down until all of the hair is around the roller against your scalp. Then once you have it against your scalp, take your little clip or whatever comes with your hot roller section and put it over the roller. Alright, one done, let's keep going. So this next one we're going to put right behind our first roller. And then just keep moving down the scalp in that mohawk formation. Be careful while you're doing this with hot rollers. It can be really easy to burn your hair while holding on to the hot roller. Alright, we've got our mohawk. Now we're going to move on to the other sides. Alright, so for the sides of our hair, we're going to take sections going outwards to start. One reason I prefer using hot rollers if I'm going to do a hairstyle in a show over using a traditional curling iron is a hot roller is much less intense. It's sort of like if you could use a curling iron and then leave it on your head for the curl to be done, you can just chuck these rollers in your hair and go do something else. It saves a ton of time in my opinion. Alright, so these first two we did away from our face. Now we're going to do the last two sections here towards our face. Alright, one side done. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Two away from our face, two towards our face, and rotating like that. So the way to get the curls going a specific direction with the hot rollers is very similar to the way you do with the curling iron. If you want the curl to be going away from your face or this way, take the hot roller and put it behind the hair for wrapping. You can see which direction the curl will go. If you want the curl to be going towards your face or this way, put the roller in front of your hair and wrap it around that way. So now that we have 1, 2 going away from our face, we're going to do 2 more going towards our face. So take the roller and put it in front of the hair. And that's all of our hot rollers in our hair. At this point, we are not going to hairspray because you do not want gunky hairspray all over your nice hot rollers, but we can save that for later. We're going to leave our hair in these hot rollers until it's completely cool. As usual, I recommend at least 20 minutes, but it might take upwards of 40 minutes for your hair to completely cool in these hot rollers. So go do something else while you're waiting, go work on your makeup, get your notes before the run, get in costume, and then we'll come back and look at our hair in another 20 to 40 minutes. And we're back! It's been about 40 minutes, so now my hot rollers feel completely cool to the touch, and I'm going to take them out. Alright, now it's time for the fun part, teasing and hairspray. To start, I gave my hair a really deep side part, and now I'm going to start teasing around the crown. You might be wondering, Taylor, what do you use to tease? Well, a toothbrush. Now just to clarify, this toothbrush has never seen my mouth. This is my hair toothbrush, but look at these bristles. It's like a ready-made teasing comb, just in a little toothbrush. It's just a lot smaller, so it looks a little less ratty. So I like to tease at the root, apply hairspray, and let it sit the opposite direction so it dries. Going the other way, we're going to eventually flip it back. Alright, once you're happy with the amount of teasing, flip it back to the part we started with. Alright, you might look a little scary at this step, but this is the fun part where we get to see it all come together. So now we're going to just gently brush out the top layers to make it look smooth. Then after you've given the ends of the curls a quick brush, we're just going to hairspray them up. This is the one hairstyle where you can use a lot of hairspray. And there you have it, your Footloose inspired 1980s curls. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe and the bell notification button below if you enjoyed today's video. And if you get a chance to try out this hairstyle, please tag me in it on Instagram at the Backstage Beautician. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, break a leg on your production of Footloose!